Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So today we're talking about introduction to psychology. Now for some of us that want to study psychology, take psychology as a great major because it's a great major, a great discipline. Now let's talk about introduction to psychology. So what psychology is all about. Now first of all we go to the definition of psychology. Now psychology is a social science course or a discipline that deals with the human mind, how human beings processes and how their mind processes life events. Now, the human behavior itself is all about what psychology is all about. Now, let's talk about the study. The definition of psychology is gotten from two notable Greek words which talk about the psyche, the mind, and the logo, the study of. Now, after we're talking about psychology itself cuts across all our life day-to-day events, our life activities, and our life processes. Now, let's go to different areas where we can find a psychologist. A psychologist is the one that studies psychology. They can be found in the school environment. They can be found in the family as a therapist, family therapist. They can be found in a prison or court environment as a forensic psychology or expert witnesses. They can be found in a research institute. They can be found in a hospital as a clinician, medical and health psychologist. They can also be found in an industry organization of choice as an industrial psychologist or organizational psychologist. Now that we've done with different areas that psychologists can work, now let's go to the next, which says psychology as a scientific discipline. Now, psychology is a branch of science that study about the human behavior. Now, psychology relies deeply and heavily on scientific method. Now, this scientific method is all about scientific knowledge and empirical processes that science rely on, and which involve the identification of data, collection of data, organization of data, hypothetical guessing, analyzing of data generated, experimentation and manipulation of data, formulation of theory and formulation of law, guiding human behavior and conduct. Now, thank you for watching. In our next lecture, we talk about the brief history or the broad history of psychology and the evolution of psychology. And you like, download, share, and subscribe. Thank you.